sa aquarium, ano ang dimension ng isdang yun? Just that. Yun ang kanyang perception. Di ba? Alisin mo yung isdang yun sa dimension niya. Ilagay mo sa dimension natin. Tayo. O kung ikaw ang isda, anong sasabihin mo? Iba to ah. Iba itong galaw nila. Iba itong, bakit nakakalakad sila? Bakit? Oh, nakapagsalita. Di ba? Kung ikaw isda. And then you go from there. Oh, tayo ang dimension natin from birth to death. Sa omega dimension is different from death to birth. Pwede mong baligtarin ang time. Oh, you can invert time. That's why I said time is an illusion. Oh, papunta na tayo sa glorification niya. Which is the omega dimension. Which is not found in our own sphere of universe. Kasi maraming universe. Kahon-kahon na universe na yan. Every universe has its own dimension. Which we do not perceive right now because we are three-dimensional. Pero if your mind expands with your spirit and faith, you go to those other dimensions, you will see that this dimension is like you are a fish in an aquarium. Kunin mo yung bird, ibang dimension yon. Lumilipad siya. Oh, iba yung perception ng bird. Oh, kunin mo yung bird, ibigay mo sa dimension natin, magtataka siya. Kaya mo yung mga bird ng lalakad, oh, kibag kaayo maglakaw. Because that is not their dimension. Their dimension is to fly. And you, when you go to that dimension of what the bird can do, you can do also. If you have faith to do it. Go to that kind of dimension. Not using your perception of a three-dimensional thinking. Isipin mo, bird ka rin. And your spirit will begin to do that.